Hello, Tasfai here from the Tutorial Academy. This is English Oromo communication tutorial. This is lesson 8. In our previous lessons, we have seen lots of phrases and words that are useful for communications in Afan Oromo. We will continue developing on that. Today we are going to see how we introduce ourselves to people. So today is about Wal Barru. Wal Barru in Afan Oromo means introducing oneself or knowing people. So this is where we introduce ourselves and where we reply to people who are asking us to like to introduce themselves to us. So obviously somebody will gonna come and tell their name to us. I am Lammi, who are you? So one way is introduction. Ani Lammi da atiho enyu. Ani Lammi da atiho enyu. So Lammi is introducing herself or himself. That can be both for male and female Lammi. So Ani Lammi da atiho enyu. That's one way people can ask, or we can introduce our name like that. My name is Kuma. Who are you called? Ani Kuman jedhama. Ati ho eenyu sin jedhu. Ani Kuman jedhama. Ati ho eenyu sin jedhu. Maybe a little bit difficult, a little bit long. Ani Kuman jedhama. I am called Kuma. Ati ho eenyu sin jedhu. And how about you? Who they call you? Who are you called? Ani Kuman jedhama ati ho eenyu sin jedhu. I am Ibsa. And you? That is one way to introduce ourselves as well. And Ibsa at ho. Very clear, precise, short, and possible. All these three ways we can introduce ourselves, or somebody can introduce themselves to us. And Ibsa at ho. And Ibsa at ho. Ibsa is the name of a person, so we can substitute our name there. And I am John, and you, and Johnny da at ho. That's really enough to introduce ourselves. So there's another way. Let me introduce myself. I am Meti. That's one way to introduce. Wal Haa Barru Metida. That's also very short. Wal Haa Barru Metida. Meti is a name. Let's know each other. That's a literal meaning. Let's know each other. Let me introduce myself. It's different from Wal Haa Barru. Wal Haa Barru is a reflexive. Let's know each other. Animatida. Wal Haa Barru Animatida. That's a very nice way of introducing oneself as well. Wal Haa Barru Animatida. Wal Haa Barru Ani Markda Ani Johnda. Wal Haa Barru Ani Tasfaida. So then after introduction, some communication can continue, and we ask more questions, and which I just speculated that maybe we can ask, where do you live? Esa jiraata. Esa jiraata could be a country, could be a village, could be a region, so could be part of a city. So esa jiraata, a good question. Or if you want to know more personal information, where were you born? Where were you born? Bakit dhalota kee eessa? That's one question. Bakit dhalota kee eessa? If that is long, eessatti dhalatte is very short. Eessatti dhalatte. Where were you born? Eessatti dhalatte. Bakit dhalota kee eessa? Eessatti dhalatte. Two questions, similar meaning. Maybe students in university, and we want to know what they're studying as well. Malbaratta, or Malbaracha jirta. What are you studying? Malbaratta, Malbaracha jirta. Malbaracha jirta. And we can continue. I am Kuma, ani Kumada. Okay, ani Kumada, I am Kuma. And we can introduce somebody as well. She is called Beef too. Isheen Beef too jedhamti. Isheen Beef too da. You can introduce Beef too like that. Isheen Beef too da. Isheen Beef too jedhamti. She is Beef too. Isheen Beef too da. I already said that. He is called Mr. Fita. He is called Mr. Fita with Isaan Obbo Fita jedhamu. This is an elderly guy. We call Isaan Obbo Fita jedhamu. So Isaan Obbo and jedhamu are words for respect. For respect. So Isaan Obbo Fita jedhamu. We have seen what Obbo means earlier. It means Mr. But sometimes also being used for big brother or for uncle. So it's still for somebody who is older than us. Isaan Obbo Fita jedhamu. That's how we introduce some respectful person or some elderly person as well. She is called Ababo. She is called Ababo. Isaan Aadde Ababo jedhamu. The only difference is here Aadde and Obbo, but both are for respectful person and for elderly as well. Isaan Aadde Ababo jedhamu. Isaan Aadde Ababo jedhamu. Isaan Aadde Ababo jedhamu. It is them, Bulchaa and Tola. So this time two people. Isaanidha, Bulchaaf Tolaadha. Two people. Isaan, we can use Isaan as well for plural names. Isaanidha. It is them, Bulchaa and Tola. Bulchaaf Tolaadha. Isaanidha Bulchaaf Tolaadha. Okay, that's how we can also introduce somebody. So after introducing ourselves, we say goodbye. Goodbye is Nagatti is goodbye. Nagaan is goodbye. Nagaatti gali, go home in peace. Go home safe. Still goodbye. Nagaan deemi, go your way. Go your way in peace. Nagaa means peace here. Go your way in peace. Nagaan deemi. Karanaga, we can also say somebody who is going away from us. Karanaga, peaceful journey. Karanaga demi, go a peaceful way. Karanaga demi, you are mixing this and this into one as well. Karanaga demi, Karanaga demi, that's possible. Ani demira nagatti, I'm going by. Ani demira nagatti, Ani demira nagatti. Ani means I am. Ani demira nagatti. That's why we can say also by. Ani demira nagaan. We can also say nagaan. So nagatti, nagaan can be used with other words, but they themselves are sufficient to say by. Nagaan, nagat. I'm gone. Be in peace. Ani demira nagaan. Okay, that's the way we can finish our conversation when we go. So you can also nagaatti gali. We already seen some, but for who we say nagaatti gali, this is for a single person. Okay, this is for a single person. Nagaan gala, this is for plural and also for respectful person. Nagaan gala, nagaan deema. Nagaan deemi is the same as a single person. Go safe. Nagaan deemi. Nagaan deema, now it's plural and also for respectful person. Nagaatti turi, this is a single again. Stay safe. Turi means stay. Stay little, we want to say no turi. Nagaatti turi, stay safe, single. Or nagaatti tura, stay safe again for plural and also for respectful person. So this is nice to know as well. The singles are for both male and the female. The plural ones are also mixture of male and female, or male only, female only as well. There's no gender in here at all. There's no gender difference. Nagatgali, male, female. Nagangala, male, female, plural, singular, respectful. Dem, nagandemi, male, female, single. Nagandema, male, female, plural, or male, female, respectful. Nagatituri, single, male, female. Nagatitura, nagantura, or nagatitura, plural, male, female, or single, respectful, or elderly, male or female. Okay, I hope this is helpful. I'm going to ask you some questions. I am Bati, you. How can we translate it in Oromo? I am Bati. Bati is the name of a person. I am Bati, you. Akkam wala bar Bati. Batin jedhama wala barru. Ani Batidha. Ati hoo. Which one is better translation of I am Bati, you? Okay, write the letter of your choice on the comment, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I am here to translate any question you have, because my whole motive is that you learn Afaan Oromo and that you communicate using that Afaan Oromo and reach your ambition as well. And that is my ambition, is to reach any person who want to learn Oromo, especially for those Oromos who were deprived of the right to learn their own language in the last generations. Thank you very much for being with me, and have a nice time. Bye bye.